Hello and welcome everyone. In this course, we are going to talk about the performance improvement model.
Here are some facts about Focus Pdca. Focus Pdca is an improvement methodology that many organizations use to guide their improvement efforts. It is a management method developed in the healthcare industry and used to improve processes. Furthermore, it is created by the Hospital Corporation of America, HCA, which is a systematic process improvement method.
Through Focus Pdca, a knowledge of how a process is currently performing to meet customer needs and expectations is used to plan and test process changes. Moreover, Focus Pdca is an extension of the Deming or Showhart cycle, which includes Pdca Act.
We will highlight the purpose of using this performance improvement model. Initially, it provides a structure that guides the process of problem solving and process improvement. Second, it does not require a lot of technical or scientific knowledge. Third, it is easy to learn quickly, and with time and practice, skills can increase. Fourth, it helps to keep everyone focused on the improvement effort. Fifth, it encourages focus and accountability for completing assigned tasks.
Also, it gets employees and volunteers involved in the process of problem solving. And it encourages the use of their expertise. Next, it provides a plan and steps for improvements. Similarly, it eliminates the frustrations that come with working in an environment that allows organizational problems to dictate internal processes, instead of the opposite. Finally, it uses data to ask the questions and has tools to help determine the steps toward improvements.
It is crucial to know when to use Pdca Act. First, it is used as a model for continuous improvement. Also, it can be used when starting a new improvement project. Likewise, when developing a new or improved design of a process, product, or service. When defining a repetitive work process. Moreover, when planning data collection and analysis to verify and prioritize problems or root causes. And when implementing any change.
The phases of focus are as follows. The first phase in focus is find. In this phase, we find the process or problem that needs improving and define the customer benefits. Moving to the next phase, organize, is a knowledgeable team who can make the necessary improvements. Next, we have the clarify. It is the current understanding of the process. Define and agree on the process as it should be. Then we need to understand the process variations, seek out the cause of the variations, and collect data. Finally, select is a strategy for improving the process, defining the actions needed to improve the process.
Pdca cycle stands for P. Plan what are you doing. D. Do what you said you would do. C. Check that you did it right. A. Act on anything that went wrong to avoid errors of the same nature in the future.
In the plan phase, we need to create an action plan for the implementation process is critical. And this plan should include a list of required steps, detailed assignments for each person on the team, a timeline for completion, and goals to hold people accountable.
Next, the do phase is when the plan is implemented. Complete the steps from the planning phase in the proper order and follow the strategy properly. If this stage is not done properly, it will produce invalid results that make it impossible to know whether the original process improvement strategy worked.
After that, we have the check phase. Once the plan has been implemented, the team takes measurements to determine whether they are getting the desired results.
And finally, we need to act. Based on the results of the check stage, the team either confirms that the process improvement idea was a success and turns it into a policy, or finds that it had problems and comes up with solutions. If the improvement process didn't go as planned, the team must start over with the Pdca cycle.
The Pdca cycle is emphatically not meant to be a one-time exercise. The effort is too intensive and the time commitment too costly. Continuous improvement should always be the goal. Ultimately, you want to use continuous improvement cycles to achieve structural quality improvements that will still be acceptable, tenable, and sustainable tomorrow. This means that you will have to secure the often laborious results achieved in order not to have to keep reinventing the wheel. Standardize what works and reject what doesn't.
Thank you for watching.